In this video, you're going to find out how to get up and over a big obstacle like this rock. One important tip is that usually your rear wheel can just roll up, so we worry far too much about our rear wheel. Once your front wheel is up, usually your rear wheel follows unless it's a very, very sharp edge. But if you have anything similar to this nice little round object here, then just worry about your front wheel, worry about staying balanced on your legs and getting low at the top to let the bike move. This is how the full move looks, and then we're going to go through the individual steps. The individual steps are, I want to load my bike through the feet, and then I want to perform a basic front wheel lift. So I explode and then I pull. Why do I pull? Because if I don't pull, then I'm too far at the back and it's going to throw me off balance. And that's why the basic or classic front wheel lift has an load, explode, and then pull in it. I have a tutorial for this already. I'm just going to link it right now for you to watch that. Then the next step is I roll on and then I perform a basic rear wheel lift, but I don't need to lift the bike. All I am doing is I'm aiding it to, I'm kind of guiding it to get to the top. Now I'm at the top and I really want to make sure that I'm nice and low. So if I'm not low enough, I will readjust to be nice and low, and I will always look where I want to go next. Why do I want to be low? Because if I'm not low enough, then my front wheel that is going to roll down now next, it's going to pull me if I'm not low enough. Because my arms, they just don't grow in that minute. So it's better to be nice and low up here, as low as you can get. Boobs over the bars, chin over stem. Right now it is true. But then you want to let the bike move forward to stay balanced in your bike and to stay balanced on your legs with your cranks level and your weight 50-50 on your legs. Next step, of course, the rear wheel is going to roll down and you're going to stretch the legs to also let or guide the rear wheel down, and then you can suck it up nice and smooth. I hope that makes sense. If you like my videos and if you want to keep my videos ads free, then buy me a coffee. The link is below in the description. And here's another slow motion of the entire move. So you can see what I just described once more and another time in normal speed. And if you want to find out some common errors about the things I've showed you right now, I'm currently working on a Patreon channel where I will be sharing common errors on the basic moves and complex moves and how you can correct them. That Patreon channel is not a standalone coaching platform, but it's a supplement to professional coaching to help you coach yourself and to be able to correct yourself once you already have the basic moves dialed. See you again for my next video. Click subscribe, give me the thumb up, and have a lovely, lovely day. Goodbye.